We hear about the Blue Heron Construction actually through my daughter because the fiance had a storm damage last year. So Blue Heron were able to repair the house, and we saw the quality of the Blue Heron. So we decided to take them for our repair. During the first visit, we were presented of actually an option which begins to the survey of the damage of the roof first, and it was presented to us how bad it is because we were hit by a bad storm before, and so therefore not a repair was recommended but to really replace the whole roof because it is much more better. And so during that time, we were also presented on how to proceed on the claims with our insurance. And we're very glad that Blue Heron really guide us step by step on how to achieve and how to really do with the help through the insurance. Well, Blue Heron actually presented us different aspect, maybe different kind of options on what kind of shingles and what kind of new technology of the roof barrier. Before it is just a paper flood, but now Blue Heron with its quality materials really give us a good options, and we decided to take that one. Also, there was a new technology on the vents because we have this old small vents, square one, just scattered around, which we personally believe does not really help to exhaust all the heat out. But the new, they call it a ridge technology, is really good because all the air now is being exhausted on the top. Our experience with Blue Hero was excellent. It first began with bringing the right crew to really take all the damaged roofing and then bringing up all the materials on the top and installing it properly and professionally, and it was done excellent. We did not realize how big is the damage until the Blue Heron crew actually take out all the old materials of the roofing, and we saw that there is actually a damage below. A survey and a repair was done properly. So we were very happy about that too. Definitely will recommend the Blue Heron to my friends, families, and anybody who are going to have a roof damage like ours. Take Blue Heron. They are an excellent company to do the repair for you.